Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to install EV Items Model 3 mud flaps or mud guards. Great for the winter weather. So I'm just going to show you here how it's all packaged up. We have the mud flaps for the back left and right, and then the mud flaps for the front left and right. Also, will come with a set of clips and also a set of some screws. And then also we have our installation guide here, how to install. You can also follow this video, either way works. And if you're buying from evitems.com, you're getting a free air freshener with your purchase. So either Starman 1.0 or 2.0. All right, we're gonna jump outside and see how to install the mud flaps now.
Okay guys, we're going to get started here and install the first mud flap. We're going to do the front right mud flap, and first off let's just line it up and make sure it's the right piece, and then from there grab our flathead screwdriver and we'll pop out the existing clips. To do so, let's pop out the center area of the clip first, and then you'll be able to pop out the exterior of the clip. From there, let's grab our mud flap, grab our new clips, push the center piece in first, and then the top piece after. Once you push them in all the way, they would have made a nice clicking sound to know that they're locked into place. After that, we're going to grab our Phillips screwdriver and we're going to put our top screw in. So this is going to screw right through the plastic of the wheel well and make a very, very small hole. Once that's done, you'll feel that it's actually quite secured in place, and then you can move on to the next wheel. So this one here is the front left, and what we're doing here is the exact same thing. After we've popped those clips out, we're going to line it up, make sure it's the right piece, and then from there we're going to put our new clips in, the ones that came with the set. So you put the first piece in, the interior piece, and then after that put the next piece in and it clips in right on top. From there we'll have to add a screw to the very top and use your flathead screwdriver, your Phillips screwdriver for that, and screw in the into the plastic of the wheel well there. Once that's all done, you'll notice that the mud flap is nice and secure. Double check that the clips below are in place and clipped in properly. And you're good to go. Essentially you'll be screwing this in until the mud flap goes flush with the car. The top of the mud flap will go flush with the car. Just double check everything's secure and is held into place, and if you need to screw in a little more, feel free to do so. We're just going to tighten this one up a little bit more here. After that, we'll notice that the top of the flap is flush with the car, and then do a little test with our hands to see that it is secure and everything looks like it's good to go. Now we're going to install the rear mud flap, and this is the back left one. Start by unscrewing the screw that's in the rear bumper, and you might need to use a wrench or a set of pliers to do so, depending on how tight it is and how tight Tesla installed it. After that, we're going to do the same thing and pop out the existing clip. This is only one clip this time, not two that the front had. So it is a little tighter to work with here, so using a longer flathead might help a little bit more. But pop out the interior piece of that clip, and then the rest of the clip will easily follow after that. Once you've got that clip out, we're actually going to move to grab our mud flap here and line it up with the car. What you're going to notice is there is an area here that actually clips in with the side of the wheel well. and you'll notice that that secures into place using a little bit of leverage once you've attached it to the car. So what you'll do is start by putting in the same lower screw that came with the car. You're not making any new holes or anything here. You're just screwing that screw back into place. Once you've got your mud flap into position, you can tighten that up, adjust it, and actually adjust it so that the mud flap is into place and secure with the car. You can tighten that area up using your pliers or wrench as well. From there, you're going to grab your new clips that come with the set again. Actually, just grab one, so the interior piece and then the top piece, and place that interior piece in. And then from there, just make sure everything's lined up and in place. From there, you'll put the top piece in, and it's going to make a nice click sound, the same sound as you got before when doing the other mud flaps. And then from there, if you need to tighten that bottom screw into the bumper a little bit more, you can go ahead and do so. You can do most of it with your hand, but I recommend the last final bits to use your set of pliers or your wrench, and give it a couple times around with the pliers just to make sure it's fully into place there. But you shouldn't have any issues after that's all done. And we're going to do it just a couple more times here. And you'll notice that it's all secure, so give it the hand check test after. And once you're all done, your mud flaps will look like this. Double check with your hands to make sure that they're secured in place, and adjust anything if necessary. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@evitems.com. Thanks.